This video is brought to you by PatientGuard, experts in medical device regulatory affairs and quality assurance. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel and keep informed of our new content. Clause 7.2 of the ISO 13485 standard outlines the requirement for customer-related processes in a medical device quality management system. This clause has three subclauses: 7.2.1, 7.2.2 and 7.2.3, which address specific requirements for different aspects of customer-related process. Clause 7.2.1. Determination of requirements related to the product. The purpose of this subclause is to ensure that the organization determines and documents the requirements of its customers related to the product. The organization must establish procedures for reviewing and verifying customer requirements, including regulatory requirements, and ensure that these requirements are documented and communicated to relevant personnel. The organization must also establish procedures for reviewing and approving product specifications, and for ensuring that these specifications meet customer requirements. This includes ensuring that the design and development of the product takes into account the customer requirements, and that there's a process in place for reviewing and approving design outputs. The organization must also establish procedures for ensuring the customer requirements are met throughout the product lifecycle. This includes ensuring that there is a process in place for monitoring and controlling changes to the product that affect customer requirements, and that there's a process in place for communicating changes to customers. Clause 7.2.2. Review of requirements related to the product. The purpose of this subclause is to ensure that the organization reviews and verifies customer requirements related to the product. This includes establishing procedures for the review and approval of product specifications, and for ensuring that customer requirements are taken into account during the design and development process. The organization must also establish procedures for the review and approval of changes to the product that affect customer requirements. This includes ensuring that changes are properly documented and reviewed, and that there is a process in place for communicating changes to customers. Clause 7.2.3. Customer communication. The purpose of this subclause is to ensure that the organization establishes procedures for communicating with customers throughout the product lifecycle. This includes ensuring that customer requirements are documented, and that there are processes in place for reviewing and responding to customer requirements. The organization must also establish procedures for the handling of customer complaints. This includes documenting and investigating complaints, determining the root cause of the problem, and taking corrective and preventative action to prevent reoccurrence. The organization must also establish procedures for communicating the outcome of the investigation to the customer, and for keeping records of the complaint and its resolution. Another important aspect of Clause 7.2.3 is the requirement for the establishment and maintenance of customer satisfaction. The standard requires that the organization establish procedures for measuring customer satisfaction, including the use of feedback mechanisms such as surveys, and for analyzing the results of these measurements to identify opportunities for improvement. If you liked this video, then please click like and hit the subscribe button to keep up to date with the latest videos from PatientGuard, making regulation easy.